Hello, in this video I will talk about ways you can earn money in crypto world, Bitcoin or crypto. So the first way is you can get a job in crypto. So you can go to cryptojobs.com and you can search for a job to earn money in crypto. Number two is you can go to different websites. You can go to this website here called, and this is not financial advice, this is really high risk. So put that in the cup. You can go into, let's say, Coin Sniper. This is a website where people can put their airdrops, put their coins, so you can participate in airdrop pre-sales. So Wall Street Memes is a pre-sale that just started. It starts in 21 days. So you can click on that and you can go into their website and you can see how you can buy this coin, so you can connect your wallet, you can read about the tokenomics, etc. So that is one way you can earn crypto in online. The other way is you can participate in, I just said it really, but you can participate in something called airdrops, okay? So you have different types of websites. You can go and search for free airdrops. So I just click the first one here. You can see crypto airdrops, how you can participate and get free crypto by participating in these. So it didn't want to open the website again. So here you can see different types of airdrops and how you can get those airdrops. So the second way you can earn money in crypto is investing in Bitcoin and holding it. I just said it really, but you can invest in other cryptocurrencies also, as we just said. The second one, the third one, I think it is, you can earn money by trading cryptocurrency online. You can use Bybit. I will have a link in the description of this video. Make sure you comment and like this video and subscribe to this channel. The third or fourth way is you can earn money by mining different types of cryptocurrencies. So again, you can go into Google and search mining, best coins to mine, and then you will find some. I think Toon coin is something you can mine. Mining. So this is, you can mine this token here and earn money. The fourth way is you can buy cryptos. Some cryptos give you, I think it is, some cryptos give you 20% or something in staking when you stake their crypto coin. The fifth one is you can create videos just like this, and I want you to do that. And I want you to send it to me on the email, and I will feature your channel on this YouTube channel if you are a subscriber. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. And you can participate in, let's say you have a website and you sell something online. You can, instead of accepting fiat currencies, you can actually use coin payments, it's called. So if you have a website or you are selling something online, you can go to coin payments, and this is a feature so you can actually get money to a cryptocurrency wallet. And let's say you sell socks, you can get money in crypto for the socks. So you can accept different types of currencies on this. The last one, and the thing I actually do, is I market programs online on YouTube and other platforms, and I earn something called an affiliate commission. Affiliate commissions is if you refer someone to a website and you are the referrer that refer them and they buy something, you will earn a commission based on their commission terms. So this was a short video, but a quite good explanation of how you can earn money in crypto. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment to this video. And I hope you all have a great day and take care.